Hey folks, picking a Yale lock. We'll talk about it more if I get it open. Because it's been one of those days with recording. Well, one of those days in general, but recording's been... Getting this open on camera is nuts. Hasn't been happening. The first pin is not set. Second pin is not set. Third pin I think is set, but I think I may have overset it. Let's count these pins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a 6-pin lock. I believe the second pin was just set. Where was the third pin? Not 100% certain. Third pin is the lowest pin in here. Okay, first pin is set. The problem with that is I'm pretty sure it's set because I bumped into it by mistake. What I was doing there is because I have the tailpiece out, I wanted to see if I could see the 6th pin hanging down. It doesn't feel... I wanted to see if I could tell for sure if that pin was overset. Would have been nice if that indeed was the pin that was overset, but I'm pretty sure a different one is. Pretty sure at some point I picked this with top of the keyway tension, but I haven't been able to find a good wrench to fit in there. Which is funny because I'm pretty sure... Oh, we got it open, although I am not sure which pin was giving me trouble. Ugh. Okay, let's get this. I know, not the most riveting video, but... Some locks just don't like cameras. This happens to be one of them. So, okay. Said I'd explain more about this. This is a different Yale keyway that I've been picking recently. This one has a key that says GE on it, whereas the other one said Y1. And the keyway definitely looks quite a bit different. Do I have another Yale right here? Well, I thought I did. Oh, here's one. So, as you can see, this is the lock I picked the other day. It's got a Y1 on it. Pretty different. Let's use the key. Okay, with how this tailpiece is shaped, I am almost positive I'm going to absolutely need a shim. So, 1 second. Let's hope pausing the video while recording worked. Get the shim in, try to do that on camera. Oops. Come on, stay in place. This lock does not want to be good. I mean, considering how much of a nightmare it was to get the tailpiece out with this crazy clip, I'm not super surprised that this is giving me trouble too. Come on, let's... What is going on here? That's new. Okay, I guess this lock can't be shimmed on camera. Or, not shimmed, can't be gutted on camera. That is crazy. If anyone has any advice for what on earth I'm doing wrong, I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Sorry this was a pretty big letdown, but I have never run into anything like this before. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks. Any advice would be really useful. I guess I should have tried doing this beforehand. Okay, see you in the next one.